the sound of love, a natural gift everyone has. What is the sound of love? Is it a song? A voice? Or something we feel long before we ever hear it? We all start somewhere. A dream, a hope, a feeling that maybe, just maybe, we're meant for more. We try, even when we're unsure. And sometimes, the first step is believing that the sound inside us matters. So we step out, not knowing if they'll like us, not knowing if we're ready, but something inside says try. And even when the world feels uncertain, we sing anyway. Because courage begins the moment fear doesn't win. And then something happens. A moment we never expect. They listen. They feel something. And for the first time, the sound that came from us reaches someone else. But here's the real discovery. No one is born finished. Every voice, even the ones that feel magical, begins in the quiet places where no one is watching. We learn by echoing the things we love, by shaping them, bending them, until they become ours. And that's when I understood something. We're all mirrors, reflecting the sounds that move us, shaping them in our own way. Until one day, the reflection becomes a voice that feels like ours. That's when the real secret appeared. Singing isn't just sound, it's control. The moment I stopped trying to be perfect and started feeling the waves of pitch. High, low, soft, strong. Everything changed. I realized I could shape my voice, not by copying, but by understanding the movement of the sound. That's when singing became something natural, something anyone can discover. When love becomes the guide, that's place when I understood the difference. Mirroring isn't copying. It's listening, feeling, shaping the sound into something new. Emily did this too. She didn't imitate. She transformed. Every singer begins by reflecting what they love. But the magic happens when it becomes yours. That's the sound of discovery. People think talent appears out of nowhere, but it grows in quiet places. Emily didn't wake up singing like that. What you hear today, the softness, the control, the honesty, it came from years of mirroring, shaping, trying, and trying again. And that's the beautiful part. Mirroring is human. It's how we learn. It's how we grow. It's how every artist begins. Watch her closely. You can hear shades of her influences, but the moment she sings, the emotions become unmistakably hers. These are borrowed shapes, but original feelings. This is what transforming inspiration looks like, and it reminds us of something powerful. No one starts perfect. We discover our voice by walking through the voices that came before us. We imitate, we adapt, we transform. And somewhere along the way, we find something of our own. That's why Emily's performances feel like the sound of love. Not the romantic kind, but the human kind. The kind that comes from trying, failing, mirroring, and finally becoming. This is not about copying. It's about reflecting the world that taught us how to feel and returning something honest back to it. This is the sound of love.